host pala ako. University Games ang isa sa pinaka-inaabangan na event sa Cavite State University. Pero ano nga ba ang University Games kung wala namang student athletes and audiences? Kaya naman, hello netizens! My name is Zara, and today ay sasamahan niyo ako na mag-interview ng some Cabsueños para malaman on how would they describe the University Games 2024 experience in a single word. Ready na ba kayo? Ready na ba kayo?
Ready na!
Your name and your one word.
I'm Carlos, and I'd say it is exciting because this is actually the first time that I'll be covering this game, and ang masasabi ko lang po, very exhausting because as a part of DZSU organization, hindi po ako, ngayon ko lang po na-experience manood ng sports sa volleyball. Tayog, mainit.
Mariel po, and my one word po is exciting.
Kim Ian Faustino. At ang one word ko ay amazing.
I'm Raquel Sarmen Breve.
Bakla, super exciting!
I'm Angelo Chris Luces, and masasabi ko lang po sa U Games is wet. Kasi tag-ulan.
At ilan lamang yan sa mga one word ng ating mga kapwa Cabsueños. Tunay nga na mas masaya kapag may kasama. Again, hello netizen, my name is Ara, and this is your Mic Check. Ikaw, ano ang one word mo?